Hey friends, happy Saturday. I'm hoping to tune out some of the dishwasher noise by plugging into headphones and sharing my tip number 4 for women who are looking to get started with strength training. So the thing that I want to talk about today is tempo. And this is something that I'm guilty of ignoring a lot of times in my training. And it's also something that's really, really important to pay attention to as you begin a weight training protocol. So our default when we start lifting weights and we have our heavy weights is that we tend to overcompensate by swinging and by trying to basically make the movement easier. And so once you've got some heavy weights, I want you to really try to modify the tempo with which you move. So often when we have heavier weights, we are tempted to kind of throw it around, swing it, or move really quickly if we're doing some sort of body weight movement that's challenging. However, this actually makes the exercise less effective. And when you're trying to build muscle, it's super important and really, really helpful to actually move slowly. That's why you'll see in a bunch of different hypertrophy programs, which is just a fancy way of saying a program that is designed to help you build muscle, you'll see the tempo being cued out, encouraging you to go as slowly as possible when you're moving the weight away from your body and then moving more quickly when you're bringing it back in. So this is really, really helpful because it increases the tension on the muscle that you're working. And remember that the more challenge you can place on your muscle, the more results you're going to see. So at the end of the day, the name of the game is time under tension. So you want to maximize the amount of time that you are taxing your muscle. And so in order to do this, I want you to focus slowly as you extend the weight away from your body. By moving more slowly through this movement, you will challenge all of the muscles that stabilize and move you through this specific exercise. So if you're ever in doubt when you're lifting, I want you to make sure that you're moving slowly. And if you want more tips on how to get started with lifting weights, definitely check out tips 1 through 3, which are on my Facebook page. And I will be coming live tomorrow to give my 5th and final tip to get you started.